Alright, hope the clap sync worked. Welcome back, everyone. Alright, so it's another glorious day here at the undisclosed location. And we have V2 of the rifle, of the pop. You know, I really don't know what to call this. I think I'm going to stick with pop cannon. And it's the afternoon here, so it's a little warm. Excuse the sweat. But, yeah, we're out here at the undisclosed location once again, working on the pop gun. I'm going to call it the pop cannon. Yeah, I'm going to call it the pop cannon. As you can see, some modifications have been done. And I'll show you one other thing. I'll show you two things. So, see here, this is the old barrel. This is the new barrel. It's shorter in total length, but the can can go all the way down to here now, in comparison to right here on the old one. And on top of that, it's aired up already. I was experimenting with a smaller diameter pipe and found that, as the pressure vessel, and found that it doesn't work as well. So I went back and rebuilt one of these guys. He's already been pressure tested. He's actually got air in him now. But I'm not done with these yet. I've got an idea in play. I just need to test more. So, as you can see, I also painted an orange. As you can see, I also painted an orange tip on this. That's to show that it is a toyish thing. Anyway, it's already been run through, so no scary testing this time. I trust this. It works. It's also got a fake muzzle brake on it to help out, but we're going to give it a crank and see how it works. So, this is the true first test. I am more worried about this than on the other one. Even though the other one could go up to a higher PSI, I was still nervous. So, hoping for accuracy. Here we go. New cannon launch, not. Sorry. New can launcher. I did not think this. Hang on. GoPros have a really short throw. I also brought a chair because I knew I was going to be out here for a bit. I got some special stuff in store for you. All right. New can launcher. Firing in 3, 2, 1. Isn't it glorious? It's still glorious. I mean, it's a short throw. I'll give it that. It's a short throw. But, you know, it's just so satisfying. All right, let's give her some more beans. Again, ABS, I do believe, is rated up to 100. That's fine. Okay, put a barrel. 3, 2, 1. How didn't it explode? I like it when they explode. It's a fresh barrel too, so. Alright, I'm gonna turn the car on. Yeah. Okay. Oh, my ear hurts. Okay. So I was setting up the next shot. And getting that right there cranked up. Yeah, this at 60 PSI, lost it. Oh my God. Where the hell? Something. Hold on, I gotta grab the Taz camera. You guys are gonna be hearing wonk audio. Okay, so I got the Taz cam. See, I was getting ready to show you guys some pumpkin demolition. I see it now. It's gonna show you some pumpkin demolition and that ain't gonna happen. That ain't gonna happen. Let's do some diagnostics here. Oh, it hit the pump. Okay, well, there was... Hang on, I'm gonna move the... you're probably off cell phone audio right now, so I'm gonna... Jesus, Mary, my ear is ringing. What the... Holy shit. Go. Oh. Well, I'm gonna put you guys back in the cradle. Or back. It blew my mind. Okay, that's all I'm saying. Like that let off like no one's business. Let's do some science diagnostic then, and then let's see what happened. Well, okay. I'm missing something. The hell did that? Does it still work? Sorry, I'm missing a right angle connection. Hang on. Hey, that still works, but I'm gonna disconnect the valve now and diagnose what the just happened. I wish I was kidding about this. I was straight up setting up for the next shot, getting ready. I got all these pumpkins out here, and I was ready, and I'm like, all right, this is awesome. I'm straight up. Hang on, I gotta clear the battery. Cut. All right, we're back. Where the hell did that go? That's not big enough. All right, Newton's third law. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Okay, we just saw the action and the reaction. But I can't find a piece. So the way this works, this is a solenoid valve hooked up, and then I just Teflon tape the crap out of it because these say not to glue. And I heard a hissing noise. I wish I was making this up. I can't hear it in my left ear. Well, that's kind of normal for me. Where the hell did that go? What in the world? Okay. So I'm gonna take the camera for a minute. Okay, so the cannon was sitting back here, fully pressurized, just waiting. And I was walking, thankfully, I was walking away to go shut the car off because that had just said, ding, ding, I'm done. Wow! And it just annihilated. I'm like, look, it annihilated this piece. Hold on. Thankfully, I just quite literally bought a new solenoid. this video may be over before it even started. This little guy can't do much. It's straight up gone. It's straight up gone. I'm missing a right angle connector because it went into this. You could see chunks of it right here. And I mean, it let out in two places. It let out here, which we can tell, and it let out here. I think this may just be like it broke, like it just snapped. I mean, I see. Shotgun shell, rifle rounds, new shotgun shell. I am royally confused and slightly scared. So I'm going to leave the cameras recording this time in comparison to when this exploded. And I'm going to quickly set up the little guy with the new solenoid. And see if we can at least get some pumpkin damage. Oh my god. Yeah, PVC pipe is rated up to that. Sure. Shit snacks, dude. This hit right there because it's got pumpkin on it. Don't know if you could see that. What the fuck? Where did that piece go? Watch, it's gonna be in my car somewhere. Okay, so good to know for next time. Don't do that. Oh my god. Holy shit. I mean, it's... I don't know if I can get this piece out. I mean, the barrel survived. Hooray for over-engineering. Holy shit. Straight up not. It just deteriorated it, and I don't know where it went. Like, I'm glad it let off when I wasn't in front of it. I'm just still reeling. Can I at least get this piece? I can't. Well, we lost the solenoid. Okay, good to know. Good to know. Yeah, lost the solenoid. What did I do with the GoPro? Oh, I didn't turn it on. Did I? Have you been recording this one? No, you didn't. Okay. I'm gonna leave this on too, so it covers another angle. Just in case something goes wrong. They're gonna cover each other. Just for postularity, this is a brand new one. Okay, this is the old one. So this is the heavy duty variant, and it broke. It just shattered can't really see. Hang on, I gotta see. And it shattered. It shattered right up there. It's gone. It not only let out, you know, down there, down at this piece. This is, kids, don't try this at home. Here, I'm gonna show you. I don't know how to switch back to autofocus. If I just, I don't know, hit the back. I think we learned an important lesson here today. Two things, actually, I think. 24 hours to cure. Yeah. Well, if no one's told you today, I'm going to tell you, from the bottom of my heart, I love you. You guys are amazing. Thank you for taking this journey with me. I will see you next time. Right now, I'm going to go take out my aggression on some pumpkins. Hello, boys. Oh, bye-bye. Survived. But now, you don't. Oop. That's why I use this. I'm done. I'm done. Please tell me you were recording.